I recently got myself this 36-inch by 6-inch high density foam roller from Day One Fitness, and I love it. And I do have a roller that's about half this length that I have loved for years, yet I didn't realize how much I was missing out on by not having a long roller. So if you are looking at a foam roller, I want to explain to you why you want the 36-inch versus the 16 or 24-inch. There is good reason. To start off with, you can do everything you can with the shorter rollers. So if you're looking to roll out a tight calf, easy, really, really nice to do. And one of the favorite things I like using rollers for is actually rolling out the glutes when I have any pain in my hips and my sides. This is amazing. So this can feel really, really nice. And this long roller works just as well as short rollers. But where this long roller really comes in handy is you can lay on this roller and do full moves on the roller. So I ended up getting this roller because my physical therapist wanted me to help with shoulder and neck issues. So with this roller, I can lay on it completely, and this is a great way to work on my shoulders, really stretching them out. It can just be a great way to rest. It also is lovely on working on your lower back and your spine, and it just makes this roller so much more for me. And I know I am just scratching the surface of all the things you can do with a foam roller. So if you are getting your first foam roller, I cannot recommend getting the 36-inch enough, as I really think that you will use this one forever, and it really will adapt to whatever you need it to adapt to. These are already wide enough that they're not really travel rollers, so why not get the tall one that does it all? And as for Day One Fitness, there are a lot of brands that make high density rollers, and I went for one that had all the great reviews and had that really, really solid high density foam and wasn't going to break the bank. There's definitely just that middle ground where you want to get one that you can trust, that's not overpriced. And this one really meets that middle ground for me. It feels really good. It actually does have the slightest little grips on it throughout that just can help make sure that it doesn't roll out of place on you. It's not too slippery. It's not too heavy. It feels good. This is made to last forever. And I know you're gonna love this foam roller from Day One Fitness. Super simple product, can make so much of a difference.